Hello everyone. Today we are going to georeference a forest map for an area. So here I would like to give an example for an area in Hessen state in Germany. So to georeference a map, so you need a map from Wind Atlas Hessen. You can extract this map from this website, Wind Atlas Hessen. So now I would like to create the area that I would like to extract. So I can enter the setting for this card, for this map, for example, the resolution. So then you can see now the green points are actually the wind turbines. Okay, so the brown area would be actually the Hessenforst or forest area. Now I would like to georeference a map, so I need to use windPRO software. I can browse the original file that I have already downloaded. Now I would like to define 3 points from windPRO software to georeference a map. You require to get 3 points. So I need to, first of all, I need to define the coordinate system. So it's UTM coordinate system, UTM ETRs 89. So this is the X and Y of this point. This is the first point that I would like to have. The second point. Now I'm entering the coordinate for the second point. And now there we go. Now I would like to get the last point. Okay, now I would like to last point. Now the resolution is fine. Okay, now I would like to save this file, this georeference map at the working directory. So wherever that you would like to save this. Okay, I need to rename the file. So we have already georeferenced this map. This is the forest area. I have used this map. I have georeference using 3 points. Now I can save this file inside the windPRO software. So if you have worked a little bit with windPRO software, now you see that this map is already defined here. So it means that now the coordinate system is defined here. You see the brown area would be forest area. Forest area for this side, you can see on the left hand side, I have a legend for this georeference side. For example, the green points are the wind turbines which are under operation.